selling now. Just
Go
good
cards.
tech to stay outside. Pay houses and money.
Barber shop.
One like black shoes.
Six lakh, yeah. 6 lakh, then.
No, here. Okay, ground floor here.
Oh, the food thing. Today is their food, the market open. Okay, yes.
Good day.
Yeah, today is their market. They made that market.
Oh, yeah, they do it annually.
Really?
People sell food from different countries.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, thank God we will see them tomorrow.
What of toys here?
Okay, just to have a taste of
Your people.
Barnsley market. Look at that. Okay, so here they sell assorted kind of food. So you have a taste of food from different parts of the country. This is something like what you see in Dubai, in their global city. Different countries where their kind of food. You just sit, eat, and drink. Wow. See that. Assorted food. This is all foodie. Foodie crumbs, ice cream. This reminds me actually of Dubai. That's what you have in Global Village in Dubai. See assorted food. This is Morocco stand.
Okay.
This is food from Gambia, from China, Indian spice food, Mexican food over there, Mediterranean, shawarma, so many things. This is exciting. So this is city center here in Barnsley.